Welcome, today in front of me XIAOMI 12X, and I'll show you how to find and manage sound settings on this device. So first you should go into the settings application and then click here on the sounds and vibration. Here we can see the notification, ringtone and alarm panels. We can change them here by just select one from the available sounds here. Also here we got the volume panels, and just to change the volume for our media, ringtone or alarm, we should swipe the panels to the left or to the right side with our finger by this way. Also here we got the sound assistant. We can activate all of these options or turn them on by click once on the swatcher here. Also we got the silent mode section. Here we can activate or turn off the silent mode, or also to silence media in silent mode here. And here we can just set and activate the don't disturb mode. We can set the schedule time to turn it off when the device is locked, to notify about the calls, about the repeated calls. Here we got the vibration settings. We can activate or turn off all these options by just click on the swatchers. And here we got the haptic feedback. We can activate it or turn it off. Also we got the additional settings. Here we can activate the dial buttons, the tap sounds, the play sounds when we'll lock the device or unlock, the screenshot sounds, the uninstalling app sounds, the deleting item sounds, the charging sounds, and start up sounds. So we can activate or turn off all of these options just by click on the swatchers. And here we got also the sounds effect. We can activate or turn off the Dolby items here, and also we got here the earphone controls. So we can change it to the control volume level or music playback here. And also when you will just activate your headphones, you can see the buttons here. So that's it. That's all of the sound settings on our XIAOMI 12X. Thank you for watching, and if you found this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.